Y'all might wonder why I'm wearing my cozy sweatshirt right now. There's a reason for that, because I'm feeling a tad bit of insecurity. So I want to bring that back to something that we all learned a long time ago when we talk about Maslow's hierarchy of needs. And I always bring people back there to really think about it. That, you know, that basic need of food, water, physiological needs, if you will, and then that's those safety needs, and then that sense of belonging and love. And then we get to the confidence level, and then we can reach self-actualization of doing what we were meant to do, what we've always dreamed to do. But we've got to have those underneath things taken care of first. I was perusing the internet the other day, and I found this version of what was being called the current Maslow, and that's what I've called it, the current Maslow. And I thought, wow, it's really, really interesting. So I wanted to share that with you today. So if you take a look at it, it really talks about where we are not, like we are here. We are kind of in this particular place in our lives in 2020, thinking a lot about physiological and safety needs. So in that way you get some insecurities, because usually many of us take those things for granted. Many of us do. And so then we're able to say, hey, listen, I'm feeling great. I'm out there having great relationships, which many of those have been taken away from us temporarily with what's going on in 2020. And so therefore, we're feeling that self-esteem is a little bit less content than it used to be. So basically, we're not here. We are not at self-actualization. We're not in a place where we feel that we can be fully creative and meet our needs because of worries, because of unpredictable, because of inconsistencies, because of I don't know what's happening next, and change is hard. And so how do I deal with this? I go back and take care of my basic needs. So I put my cozy favorite sweatshirt on, you know, I might sit in a chair curled up, and I have to just feel good before I can move on. So as we trek back into school after all the experiences that we've had, and we think about this entire year, 2020, 2021, ahead of us, we think about those changes and just be aware of those hierarchy of needs. That particular graphic that I just showed you, I think is real. So we know that Maslow's research is real. So think about where we are, think about where we're not, and know that we're going to have to get back to the places that we once felt before we reach those goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.